Hi everyone, welcome to this complete Android app development course using Java. In this course, we'll start from absolute beginner level and go all the way to advanced app development. Let me walk you through the roadmap so you'll know exactly what you're going to learn. Beginner level Foundations. 01. Installing Android Studio and Setup. 2. Getting to know Android Studio. 3. Your first app, Hello World. 4. Layouts in Android. 5. TextView and button. 6. EditText and user input. 7. Image view and resources. 8. Scroll view and nested layouts. 9. Toast, snack bar. 10. Intents and activities. Intermediate level Core app building. 11. RecyclerView, list and grid. 12. Card view and material design. 13. Fragments basics. 14. Navigation drawer and bottom navigation. 15. Menus and toolbars. 16. 17. SQLite database. 18. Room database. 19. Working with APIs. 20. Sending data to server. Advanced level Real app development. 21. Firebase basics. 22. Firebase authentication. 23. Firebase cloud storage. 24. Firebase cloud messaging. 25. Background services. 26. Broadcast receivers. 27. Work manager and scheduling tasks. 28. Animations and transitions. 29. Custom views. 30. Publishing your app to the Play Store. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create real-world Android applications and even publish them on the Play Store. Next video, we will get started with Class 01, installing Android Studio and Setup.